आज के इस मॉडर्न एज में क्या अभी भी आप वही घिसी पिटी इंग्लिश का यूज करते हैं? तो चलिए फिर आज सीखते हैं कुछ मॉडर्न इंग्लिश एंड उसके यूसेज। Ignore it. Brush it off.
She tried to brush it off, but I could tell that it was serious.
Wait. Hold on.
Can you hold on for a second?
Leave. Head out.
Okay, let's head out.
Support me. Back me up.
Will you please, just for once, just back me up?
Solve it. Figure it out.
Guess I'm just gonna have to figure it out on my way to Japan.
Search. Look for.
You have to look for the ball!
Return. Come back.
We should have tied an engine block around his neck and made sure he didn't come back up.
Check it. Look into it.
I'll look into it.
Continue. Carry on.
We were trying to carry on with our game.
Relax. Chill out.
If there was ever a time to chill out.
I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो। तो don't forget to like this video and share with your friends and subscribe this channel for more advanced English.